Hi, I'm Steve McNary with Southwest Exteriors. We're going to spend a few minutes talking together about how the installation process and who installs those windows can impact the price of your window replacement project. How that window is installed in your home is pretty important. You can design and pick out the best window in the world, but if it's not installed properly, you're going to run into some problems. So let's talk about that and think about that as well. You could probably go on YouTube and watch a video on how to replace your own windows, but do you really want to risk that with your home? I probably wouldn't want to risk that with my own home. The reality is if that window isn't installed exactly right, you're going to have water penetration, you're going to have air infiltration, and all of the good money that you spent on buying nice high quality windows is going to be wasted because of a poor installation process. So you can go ahead and try that yourself. You can hire a company to do that for you, but the things that you need to make sure happen are that a good proper foam is used around that window as it's put into your home, that it's secured to the framing of your house properly as well, that the right type of caulk is used to seal the outside of that window, that the opening has been inspected to make sure that there hasn't been rot inside your walls or any mold or mildew or anything there as well as those windows are replaced. So lots of different factors that can impact the way that your window is installed. Our recommendation is always to find a reputable company that is licensed, bonded, and insured and knows what they're doing. So all of those things can affect the cost of your installation of your brand new windows. So you need to consider that as well. I hope you feel a little more educated about the installation process of a replacement window, because that's going to impact your project quite a bit. So if you have any questions or comments about that, feel free to put those down below. We just want you to be as informed as possible because it's your home. These are going to be your replacement windows, and we want you to have the look you love coming home to.